Alright, today is the day sa amon nga Ilonggo Youtubers meetup and workshop for this year. Actually natapos na ni last year. Check pa lang video. Okay. So, amon ni siyang amon nga meetup and workshop para subong nga tuig. I expect a lot of new members. Kaya do video nagdamo nagiman ng mga nag-interest sa amon Facebook group nga Ilonggo Youtubers. I will be meeting a lot of new faces. Ang iban, kilala ko naman, na-chat ko naman sa Facebook, pero why ko pagid ma-meet sa personal except for a few people. Interesting gid na pero sigurado magiging masadya gining meet up kag workshop namon. Stay tuned lang para makita nyo kung sino mga sari-sari ng mga Ilonggo Youtubers diri subong sa Iloilo. Alright? Okay guys, so halin kami subong sa Latte. Damo na kami subong hipon-hipon. Okay. Damo subong vloggers. Ay, oh man, nari kita timing gid siya. The children. Hello. Timing. And the shopping kids. Hi, mommy. Sige. Shopping family and toys and review and everything Jollibee. Say hi, Anay. Say hi.
What's your channel, Sean?
What's your channel, ha?
Q.
Perfect. So, matama to sila registered Damo na. Medyo gutok kami, pero that's okay. Mas mayo ang gutok kaysa sa wala agad, di ba? Ang mga Ilonggo Youtubers nag-plastar na din, no? Adi sila, oh.
Hi! How's it going?
Alright!
Hello! We're Technicolor! Colorful.
Okay. Liwat kay nag-autofocus Liwat. Okay, alam sila. Alright. Basta second take, grabbing energy. Nagdata lang kami sa ibang pang members sa mga may-ari kami mga Bacolod guys ng mga YouTubers sa Bacolod. So ginaulat-ulat ng namon. So we have a good turnout. Makilalahay kami ni karon. Taga saan ka?
Taga? May mga bata po tayo, rated G po dapat.
And versus this, yung partner nyo yung magpapakilala sa inyo instead of you introducing yourselves. Okay? So are you game? So you have 2 seconds, charot.
I'm a graduate of Bachelor in Broadcasting sa West Science University. May mga taga-West ba dito? Or there? Perfect. East. So yun. After that, I was employed sa may GM. Nakikita rin naman ang taliwat. Gamit natin ang mga bago-bago ng mga
action is hallucination. So if you have that vision, gusto mo be-sponsored trips, dapat may action ka ngayon, dapat may unugin mo vlogs, yado ka.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jezreel Sands. You can go check out my YouTube channel, youtube.com/c/JezreelSandro.
Oh my gosh, what happened? Please do subscribe to my channel. It's Leumel space Renzo. Yumel Renzo. I do travel vlogs. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Cover it all. Please do subscribe because I'm cute. Hey!
Hello guys, yes naman. So, kung hindi nyo ko kilala, I'm Shane and I'm from Central... Ay, hindi, wala, nag-graduate na ako. So, I'm gapangita ako sa mukubra sa mga kanto. Pangitangatan nyo dahil ubrantes na subscribe akong channel. So, subscribe to my channel. I-link po ni Pops sa talo.
Sure.
It will be linked down below kung bali Pops. Okay. Bye-bye!
Hi guys, subscribe to my channel. It's Mavi's Happy Feet, M-E-U with the triple E. I do travel vlogs, travel tips, and a lot more about travel. And also food reviews.
No one wants to be J. Paul, right? No? Amen. You'll be okay. So you'll be there, and then we'll be here. So basically, these are just traits of what a person you can be.
So, nakambal si Mayor sa akon nga, Sheng, vlog ka be about balasan. Tapos nakambal ko, Pops, hindi. Mayor, hindi ko paguro.
Ako mayor
Si
niyo?
Pops.
Okay, so tapos naman ang amon niya workshop kag meetup. Very successful.
Kung gusto nyo spoken word poetry, subscribe to my channel. That's Melvin Hermelioso Donato. And I also post some other stuff like food trip, travel goals. But if you want spoken words, subscribe to my channel.
Alright. Okay, so pagindi. Si Herms. Herms, ano si mo? Your channel, please.
Hi guys, I'm Herms and my channel is Herms Journal. You may watch if you want to watch lifestyle videos, travel, anything, dance covers, gaming, Pokemon Go. Subscribe to my channel.
Oo, ako ay Sarah. Tapos wait lang, San Dionisio, Batad, amo na tayo. Batad, Balasan, Distansya,
So hi mga Ilonggos. So I'm Shamsi Nicole or Pat, pero Shamsi na lang po. Yeah. So check out my channel guys, Shamsi Nicole, your only drag queen here in Iloilo. So check it out. Bye!
Alright.
Share vlogs and subscribe my channel. And more travel and food. So, see my vlog.
Subscribe.
Okay. Walang tao?
It's BJ Escarilla of the BJ Escarilla. So subscribe to me and hope you like my content. See ya!
May gamay kami nga game. So guess what's in the box nga game? Hindi lang paggulpi ha. Hindi man tao. Makugas ako. Sige, kuha. Guys, thank you kita. Una na ako. Bye. Okay. Kita na lang to sa edit ah.
Ingat.
Oh.
Bye! Kita na yun sa video.
See you on the vlog.
Bye-bye. Ha? Alright. So, date kami ng engineer ah.
Para po SM po.
SM. Okay mga Paps, day 10 subong. So, kilohon ko naman ang lawas ko kung para mabalaan ko kung pila naka-pounds ang in-lose ko. Okay, ayun na. Here we go. Okay, 190.2. Alright. So, mga 3 pounds in 10 days.